Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the first smartphone from the sub-brand of iVoomi Innelo, the Innelo 1. So Innelo 1 is the first smartphone now, and it's probably the cheapest smartphone with a notch display. And we're going to do the unboxing of this device, and we'll show you the box contents, and we'll also show the device and some camera samples taken with the Innelo 1. So Innelo is a sub-brand of iVoomi in India, and this is the first smartphone, the Innelo 1. So you can see the notch display has been highlighted as a feature. So this device is priced around 7,500 rupees in India, and this comes with the notch display. Now you can see that designed and marketed by iVoomi, and this has 3000 mAh capacity battery, face recognition, 13 megapixel rear camera, fingerprint sensor is included. It has a 5.85 inches 1520 by 720p display, that's 19:9 aspect ratio, 13 megapixel rear camera with soft flash. It's a Samsung sensor with 5p lens, 5 megapixel selfie front camera, 2GB RAM and 16GB internal storage. And then we have 1.3 GHz quad-core MediaTek MT6737H processor, Android 8.1 audio, and we have the the network details as well. So that's the iVoomi Innelo 1, and let's open the box pack and I will just show you the device. So there you go, that's the box pack, and on the top you can see the Innelo 1. So there you go. So that's the iVoomi Innelo 1. You can see the 13 megapixel camera. There's a slide projection. In fact, it's not slide, it's considerable projection for the unit, and there is a fingerprint scanner, LED flash, the Innelo branding, and also the iVoomi branding is at the bottom. So on the right side we have the power key and the SIM tray slot, and the left side we have this volume keys. The bottom panel has the micro USB charging slot, the speaker unit, and there are no 3.5mm audio jack included. So we'll come back to that. Now let's see what else comes inside the box. You get a screen guard included and the manual and instruction guide. Then apart from that, you also get the cable, the standard micro USB charging and data syncing cable included, and the charger is there. So this is the adapter is 5 volt 2 amps, so that's standard charging. And we also get an earphone with this box pack. So let's just open this. So there's no 3.5mm audio jack on this device. So you can see that this first of its kind we are seeing a micro USB earphones bundle. You can see that this is the one. So there is no 3.5mm audio jack, and you have to use this earphone. You can't actually use a third-party earphone. The only earphone which you can use is the one bundled with Innelo. So that's kind of weird strategy, especially finding an adapter for the micro USB charging slot is quite difficult. USB Type-C we have seen a lot of companies getting involved there, but with the micro USB charging slot, this is first time we are seeing. So now let's boot the device and I will show you the interface. That's the iVoomi Innelo 1. You can see the 5.84 inches screen size, and this has the notch, but what you can see on the display is this considerable chin at the bottom. So that's something not that great. You can see that the purpose of having the notch is to have almost like a full view display, but here we have this considerable amount of chin. That's not really that great in terms of design. Now looking at the display quality, this is where we are quite surprised. You can see the display quality is actually good. The touch response is smooth, and the brightness levels are really good, and the colors are vivid, and this device has good viewing angles as well. So you can see the notch has the camera, the speaker, and the regular set of sensors included. And the build quality is plastic, but it's quite an acceptable build quality offered on the Innelo 1. So now we're talking about the software. You can see that this is the custom UI on top of Android 8.1 Oreo. So you can see that about phone, Innelo, and this is 16GB storage, Android 8.1, and we have 2GB RAM included. So that's the UI version is 3.0, and let's see what else comes inside the UI. You can see the virtual keys, so you can configure the virtual keys here. Then intelligent assist something is there. Then we have theme support is there, display and themes are included. So that's the UI. So nothing much to talk, but you can also see there are a few apps included, the bloatware is included, for example some games are included. So that's kind of unwanted, probably it should have been avoided. Now talking about the camera, so this has a 13 megapixel rear camera, and this also has a 5 megapixel front camera. So the camera interface is quite okay. Some default options are included, and here are some camera samples we are taken with the Innelo 1 after unboxing the device. So this is a budget offering, so these are some samples taken with the Innelo 1. The phone also comes with a 3000 mAh capacity battery. That should be quite good enough for a day of usage. So that's the capacity battery, and it's at 5 volt 2 ampere charging. So that was unboxing and hands-on with the first smartphone from Innelo in India. That's the Innelo 1, and that's a sub-brand of iVoomi in India. So this is Nirmal signing off with the unboxing of the Innelo 1. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.